Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker. Today we are making a traditional side dish. It's Charleston Red Rice. And what better way than in our Charleston style rice steamer from Carolina Cooker. Okay, so we'll take our lid off of our rice steamer. I'm gonna get the water in the bottom heated up a little bit. While that water in the bottom is heating, I'm gonna add water to the top. This is 3 cups of water. We got 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of water. Next thing I'm gonna add in while our rice is heating up is our salt and our sugar, black pepper, and the last thing in at this stage will be our tomato paste. Okay, our bottom pot has started to steam. Now it's time to add in our rice. And along with that, we're gonna add our 1 cup of onion. Once we get everything nice and mixed up, I'm gonna put the lid on and we're just gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes. We'll check it at 20, see how it's looking at that point. Our rice is ready to go. We'll take the lid off here. And now what I'm gonna do is add in our chives and add in our bacon and get that stirred up. This is just crumbled, about 4 strips of bacon crumbled up. Get everything nice and stirred up. Got everything mixed up. We're gonna plate our rice now. Okay, here we go. Charleston Red Rice in our Charleston style rice steamer. Great side dish to pair with any protein that you like. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker. Let us help you navigate all the seasons, both in the field and in the kitchen.